Hey everyone, welcome back to Zero Network. Today I am going to show how to earn online money without investment. Okay, let's see guys. This is the site xm.com. The link is available in comment section. In here you can trade forex trading. If you didn't know how to trade forex, uh, you can go here research and education. There I have more tutorial videos about forex trading. My advice is go these tutorial videos and learn, and next you can earn. And there are marketing, technical, trading tools, all are everything you would like to learn. There I have. Uh, and you after finishing the tutorials you can go here and open account. $30. This $30 bonus account is totally free. You don't have to deposit any money, so you can earn online money without investment. This is if you have money you can deposit here. If you deposit $100, they give you to $200 to trading forex. This is their promotion. There have more promotions. Uh, so the site is 100% legit, and you can surely withdraw money easily. So go here, read more. This is trading bonus promotion. No deposit required. All profit earned can be withdrawn. Available to new silence, automatically created to your account. So this is the trade bonus conditions. So if you using this XM.com, you can open trading bonus freely. Tap more bonus. You can fill the form, registration board, first and last name. This given before, and select account type, standard type, and proceed to step 2. This is very easy, like open Facebook account. Uh, After your registration and after verifying your email address and phone number, you can easily log your dashboard by member login in this type this button, and in here you can use your own platform, MT4 XM Web Trader. This broker support them all. And also you can CFD, market betas, energies, stocks. You can trade so everything. This is currencies. The all currencies are available in this forex broker. There's ordered the trusted company, and here you can see trading instrument, forex trading stocks, equity indices, PCS, metal energies, everything here. And this is platform for iPhone, Android, PC, Mac Trader, all are available in here. So you can register and get the 30 bonus account and trade and get a profit and withdraw it to your accounts. Okay guys, that's it. If this video helpful guys, share it, the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you and good luck.